Module 5, Respiratory Risks. Question 1. When drilling, cutting, sanding or grinding, you can breathe in high levels of harmful dust. These levels are likely to be highest when working. A. Outside on a still day. B. Outside on a windy day. C. In a small room. D. In a large indoor space. The correct answer is C. In a small room. Question 2. You have finished your work and need to sweep up the dust created. What should you do? A. Dampen down the area. B. Make sure there is plenty of ventilation. C. Put your protective mask back on. D. All of these answers. The correct answer is D. All of these answers. Question 3. You are using water as part of dust control and run out. Should you? A. Carry on as you have nearly finished. B. Stop and refill with water. C. Ask everyone to clear the area and then carry on. D. Carry on but get someone to sweep up afterwards. The correct answer is B. Stop and refill with water. Question 4. When using power tools, it is important to A. Stop dust getting into the air. B. Stand downwind of any dust. C. Do the work quickly to limit dust exposure. D. Only undertake the work during damp or wet weather. The correct answer is A. Stop dust getting into the air. Question 5. You have been asked to do some work that will create dust. What should you do? A. You should not do the work. Dust is highly dangerous. B. Use equipment that will eliminate or reduce the amount of dust whilst wearing correct personal protective equipment, PPE. C. Start work. No controls are needed as it's only dust. D. Work for short periods at a time. The correct answer is B. Use equipment that will eliminate or reduce the amount of dust whilst wearing correct personal protective equipment. Question 6. When using water to keep dust down when cutting, you must ensure A. There is as much water as possible. B. The water flow is correctly adjusted. C. Somebody stands next to you and pours water from a bottle. D. Water is poured onto the surface to soak it before you start cutting. The correct answer is B. The water flow is correctly adjusted. Question 7. You need to use a power tool to cut or grind materials. Give 2 ways to control the dust from getting into the air. A. Work slowly and carefully. B. Fit a dust extractor or collector to the machine. C. Wet cutting. D. Keep the area clean and tidy. E. Wear a dust mask or respirator. The correct answers are B and C. Fit a dust extractor or collector to the machine, and wet cutting. Question 8. If you use a power tool to cut or grind materials, why must the dust be collected and not get into the air? A. To save time and avoid having to clear up the mess. B. Most dust can be harmful if breathed in. C. The tool will go faster if the dust is collected. D. You do not need a machine guard if the dust is collected. The correct answer is B. Most dust can be harmful if breathed in. Question 9. Occupational asthma can stop you working again with certain substances. It is caused by A. Exposure to loud noise. B. Exposure to rat urine. C. Skin contact with any hazardous substance. D. Breathing in hazardous dust, fumes or vapors. The correct answer is D. Breathing in hazardous dust, fumes or vapors. Question 10. There are many kinds of dust and fumes at work. Breathing them in over time can cause you to develop A. Occupational lung disease. B. Occupational dermatitis. C. Skin cancer. D. Sore throat. The correct answer is A. Occupational lung disease. Question 11. Exposure to which of the following may not result in lung disease? A. Asbestos. B. Bird droppings. C. Strong smells. D. Silica dust. The correct answer is C. Strong smells. Question 12. Pigeon droppings and nests, which can be hazardous to your health, are found in an area where you're required to work. You should. A. Carry on with your work carefully. B. Stop work and seek advice. C. Try to catch the pigeons. D. Let them fly away before carrying on with your work. The correct answer is B. Stop work and seek advice. Question 13. What is the biggest cause of long-term health issues in the construction industry? A. Loud noise. B. Being struck by a vehicle. C. Slipping and tripping. D. Breathing in hazardous substances. The correct answer is D. Breathing in hazardous substances. Question 14. You need special respiratory protective equipment to handle a chemical. None has been provided. What should you do? A. Get on with the job, but try to work quickly. B. Do not start work until you have been given the correct RPE and training. C. Start work, but take a break now and again. D. Sniff the substance to see if it makes you feel ill. The correct answer is B. Do not start work until you have been given the correct RPE and training. Question 15. You have been given a dust mask to protect you against hazardous fumes. What should you do? A. Do not start work until you have the correct respiratory protective equipment. B. Do the job but work quickly. C. Start work but take a break now and again. D. Wear a second dust mask on top of the first one. The correct answer is A. Do not start work until you have the correct respiratory protective equipment. Question 16. Which of the following do you need to do to ensure that your mask works? A. Check it's the correct type needed. B. Pass a face fit test wearing the mask. C. Check you're wearing it correctly. D. All of these answers. The correct answer is D. All of these answers. Question 17. Generally speaking, how long can you use the same disposable mask for? A. 5 working days. B. Until it looks too dirty to wear. C. 1 day or 1 shift. D. 28 days. The correct answer is C. 1 day or 1 shift. Question 18. Which of these activities does not create silica dust, which is harmful if breathed in? A. Sawing timber and plywood. B. Cutting curbs, stone, paving slabs, bricks and blocks. C. Breaking up concrete floors and screeds. D. Chasing out walls and mortar joints or sweeping up rubble. The correct answer is A. Sawing timber and plywood. Question 19. When drilling, cutting, sanding or grinding, what is the best way to protect your long-term health from harmful dust? A. Use dust extraction or wet cut and wear light eye protection. B. Wear a FFP3 rated dust mask and impact goggles. C. Wear any disposable dust mask, hearing protection and impact goggles. D. Use dust extraction or wet cut, wear a FFP3 rated dust mask, hearing protection and impact goggles. The correct answer is D. Use dust extraction or wet cut, wear a FFP3 rated dust mask, hearing protection and impact goggles. Question 20. The high levels of solvents in some paints and resins can cause A. Headaches, dizziness and sickness. B. Lung problems. C. Effects on other parts of your body. D. All of these answers. The correct answer is D. All of these answers. Question 21. What does RPE stand for in the context of protecting against dust and fumes? A. Risk prevention equipment. B. Respiratory protective equipment. C. Regular protection exercise. D. Respiratory prevention education. The correct answer is B. Respiratory protective equipment. Question 22. Why is it important to have a face fit test for a dust mask? A. To ensure it seals properly against the face. B. To check the color matches your uniform. C. To see if it's comfortable for short periods. D. To test if it blocks all air. The correct answer is A, to ensure it seals properly against the face. Question 23. Asbestos exposure can lead to which serious condition? A, mesothelioma. B, dermatitis. C, vibration white finger. D, hearing loss. The correct answer is A, mesothelioma. Question 24. What should you do if your dust mask becomes damaged during use? A, continue using it until the end of the shift. B, tape it up and keep working. C, replace it immediately with a new one. D, ignore it if the damage is small. The correct answer is C, replace it immediately with a new one. Question 25. What is a common symptom of inhaling harmful fumes over time? A, chronic coughing. B, improved lung capacity. C, better sense of smell. D, reduced fatigue. The correct answer is A, chronic coughing. That's all 25 questions for video 5 on respiratory risks. Review any you got wrong and keep practicing. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.